How to use Priceline coupon code. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to use Priceline coupon code. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So to use Priceline, you make sure that you have an account with them, that you have an account, a Priceline account. Okay, so once you have a Priceline account, you open the Priceline app on your mobile phone, and this is the interface you're going to see. At the top right corner, the top left corner rather, you see the hotels icon. At the middle of the upper part of your screen, you see the cards icon. Also, at the top right corner, you see the flight icon. So Priceline is basically into hotels, cars, and flights. So if you need an hotel, you want to lodge in an hotel, you can use Priceline. If you need a ride, that is a car ride, you can use Priceline. If you need a flight, you can as well use Priceline to arrange for a flight. Okay, so now at the lower part of the screen also you see several icons. You see the book icon, you see the my flight icon, you see the notification icon, and you see the more option icon, the three dots and towards the fourth option on the lower part of your screen. So how to use coupon code in Priceline? What you have to do is to make sure that you go through the home page till you see the option coupon code. So once you see the option coupon code, you click on the option coupon code and you follow the instructions that will be displayed right on your screen. Okay, so once you follow the instructions, you will successfully use coupon code on your in your Priceline app. Okay, so it's very simple. Make sure that you go through the page to see the option coupon code. So it's simple. Okay, so this is basically how to use coupon code in Priceline. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.